Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a twist on a holiday classic. Instead of just regular banana bread, I actually made gingerbread banana bread. This was honestly a really good way to use up some of the spices that I had in my pantry, and honestly, it was a new twist that not a lot of people have, so I hope you enjoy this video. So the first thing that I did is I creamed together 1 stick of softened salted butter and about a half of a cup of brown sugar. I didn't use a lot of sweeteners other than the bananas for this recipe, but if you do want it more on the sweeter side, just add a little bit more sugar, but the bananas are so sweet that really might not be necessary. Then I actually added in my 3 overripe bananas straight into the mixer. I would not recommend this. I would actually recommend smashing them first so then the banana goes all throughout, but I was kind of short on time, so this is what I did as a little time-saving technique. After mashing my bananas, I added half a teaspoon of nutmeg, allspice, and cinnamon, and 2 teaspoons of gingerbread. You can add a little bit more gingerbread, but I wanted the flavor to be a little bit more subtle. And in addition, off camera, I actually added in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract to my mixture as well. Then to this, I added about 1 teaspoon of baking soda and a half teaspoon of salt, and I slowly incorporated 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. After my mixture was all together, I actually folded in about 1 cup of diced pecans. You can omit the pecans if you don't eat nuts or don't like pecans, but this is what I did, which added a little bit of nutty flavor to the banana bread. The next thing that I did is I lined a loaf pan with some parchment paper, then sprayed it with some non-stick spray. I like to do it this way so then it's easier to take out at the end, and then I just poured my batter in there and I placed it in an oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about an hour to 75 minutes. This really just depends. You just want to cook it until you can put in a fork and then the fork comes out clean. I let my banana bread cool down for about 20 minutes before slicing. Like I said before, although I don't have it in this video, I love serving this with a nice pecan praline butter, which I'll put in the description below. I hope you enjoyed this video and have a wonderful day no matter your situation or location. Goodbye!